Okay. Okay.
All right.
Rep, blue's going this way, right?
What?
Blue's going this way.
One by John.
Seven, one white.
First foul number 7.
There, the back.
Let us know when it's set up, 18, 12.
Two points for number 4.
Hey, easy lang kayo. Sa una lang yan.
Ngayon, galit nyo na ng tira nila.
Alam ko na yan, sa una lang yan.
May Portos na kasama, isang pa.
Wow, strong move.
First foul.
Seven. Parang traffic. Seven na tawagan.
7.
Break. Sala na, sala. Hindi, sino? Nag-7 din.
2 fouls number 7.
No, he only made one. Dito, nandito pa na. Mas bagay, 2 fouls. 2 fouls na.
2 points, 5-1.
Bakit hindi lumalabas yung foul doon sa ano? Sino tuot yung foul? Sino tuot yung foul? Sino? Kabila. Sila. Ang blue? O ang... Hindi, gray. Gray, diba? Oo. Lagyan mo dalawa. Yes, gray is home. Gray is home. Lagyan mo dalawa. Yan. Oh, one foul yung ano. Dalawa na. Strada. Dalawa na. Team blue may team foul na ba?
Foul on 3-1-6. On the floor, side throw.
Labis ang pindot ko sa foul.
Dali, sa kabila!
Hindi ko na lang yan.
Sa kabila! Sa kabila!
Good pass.
Nice yan! Ayun na!
Good defense by Gee. Good pass, Ron.
George!
Ba't pala yun? Instead na patapit. Pag mag-18 run, stop. Or pag magana, mag-18 minutes, stop. Hindi, basta sasabihin lang natin yung referee. Sabihin mo sa akin, tatawagan mo sila. Delayed yan, delayed.
Keep playing, guys. Keep playing.
This one is delayed. Parang pal yan. Delayed parati.
Air ball.
Parang Cebu Pacific.
Carlo calling for the play. Luther. Whoa, veteran move by Luther.
Championship game ba to?
Just relax.
Andyan sa kabila.
Just relax.
30 seconds yan. Tama yan, tama. 13 lang ba? Oo. 13 lang? 42.
Yes. Kailangan may running speed na doon.
Labas ka na ba?
Kasi hindi mo naman total score. Di ba? Kung may makaka-score, lalagay mo dyan. Sub. Mandatory sub.
Wala ako next week ha?
Wala na siya.
Hindi na.
Blue ball. Was that a foul? Foul number 7, that's his third personal foul.
That's 14 pounds.
Number 7. Strong move. Everything but the basket.
Delay yung 20. Delay dito. Mag-usap kayong dalawa. Tinatanong ko siya. Ang lang dito.
Oh, Euro step by Ron Estrada. Offensive rebound by Mayaon. Foul on Ron Cruz. Number 7. We got it. Foul on Ron Cruz. Good pass.
Layo.
That was a good pass. Foul on Ron Cruz. Second personal foul. 16 foul. Next foul will be a penalty. Offensive rebounding machine.
Kaliwata.
Kaliwa.
Fighter na fighter si Remo, no?
What a pass. Parang ginapasa ko ah. That pass is brought to you by Lutong Bahay. Lutong Bahay.
Ilang minutes na sir? ron. Ilabas na yan, ha? 20 minutes. 12 minutes.
Ron Cruz, 3 points. 3 points, Ron Cruz.
Sino bang ron ang sinasabi mo? Estrada.
2 minutes, next substitution.
Maximum 18. Okay!
3 points! Low inside. Mababang low. Low inside. What a drive.
Ay, shit.
Offensive rebound by G. Offensive rebound by the smallest man in the court. Foul on number 32. Sub, mandatory sub. Sub. Guys, sub. Don't pretend like you don't hear.
When it's substitution time, everybody has a hearing problem. Naka 18 minutes na?
Wala pa. 11 minutes.
Kasi may ginagawa mong 6-6. Okay. Ito rin nasa baba pala.
Ayaw kay Christian. Tira, Chris!
Foul on Chris. Over the back foul on number 2. Believe it or not, that's the only first team foul. First team foul. Oh, second. Foul number 32. Again, isa pa.
Yeah, that's the third. That's third. That's the third. It's third. It was delayed. It was delayed.
Delay is like Philippine Airlines. Marlon, nice.
What a pass. Marlon, 3 points.
Oras. 9 minutes. 9 minutes.
Last na minute.
Kala ko 6:30 na. Yung may
Delay
tinatak.
yan. Dito sa kabila.
Wow, strong move. Strong move by number 2. Good pass.
Good shot.
Bank shot. Good job, Mon. Using the glass for 2.
Yeah, dugay mo ka.
Foul on 316. Penalty.
101.
This free throw is brought to you by Chuck E. Cheese.
Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Doon ka sa score. Delay dito.
First shot is good. Warning for disrespectful pass. Foul on mababang loob. Third personal foul.
Third.
That's 14 foul.
Inasa kay Bayaw. Bayaw for 2. Good pass by Silva. Not this time.
And 1.
Good defense by Marlon. Rep, sub, 6 minutes. Sub.
Ilan ba kayo? Siyam?
Para shot. Scoop shot by Mr. Formes. Lefty. Inaliwa. Good line. What a pass. What a pass. What a shot. That was a good connection between the center and the point guard. In and out.
Pass. Pass.
Oh! That was the second shot that just rimmed out.
Dinilaan.
Nice pass. Beautiful pass.
na dyan, Lon.
Whoa! Wedgie!
Ball. Go ball out. Go ball out.
Really?
Counted. Katamaan yung ano. Sakto sana.
Sakto.
3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes.
3 minutes left. Two for two. Kinaliwa, Mr. John Alfred. Kinaliwa. What a pass! What a pass! Travel, walk. Travel before the foul. Good pass again. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Ikutin mo na lang ulit pag ano. Isa umiipit siya eh. Oh, may patay na spot dito. Namatay yung bola.
1 minute. Good pass, Ren. Air ball. Good rebound by John Alfred. That's his 20th rebound. 45 seconds. Rebounding machine. Open 3 by Ron Cruz. Ron, 3 points. 30 seconds. Twenty. Ten seconds. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.